Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tulle gloves. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need about 1/2 yard of soft tulle fabric, ensuring it's comfortable against the skin. Grab your sewing machine, matching thread, and a pair of sharp fabric scissors. Don't forget a fabric marker, pins, a measuring tape, and an existing glove or a hand tracing to use as your pattern. These items are crucial for a successful project. Now let's create our pattern. Place your hand flat on a piece of paper, fingers together, and trace around it, extending the line about 1 inch past your wrist. Alternatively, use an existing glove as a guide. Remember to add a 1/4 inch seam allowance around your entire tracing. Pin this paper pattern onto your tulle, which should be folded in half, and carefully cut out 2 identical glove shapes. Precision here ensures a great fit. With your pieces cut, it's time to sew. Place the 2 tulle glove pieces together, ensuring the right sides are facing each other. Pin them securely along the edges. Using your sewing machine, select a small, straight stitch, about 1/8 inch from the edge. Sew slowly and carefully around the fingers and thumb, maintaining that consistent seam allowance. When you reach the wrist opening, reinforce it with a double stitch for added durability. This prevents fraying and ensures a lasting glove. Almost done. Carefully trim any excess tulle close to your seam, being very careful not to snip your stitches. Now, gently turn your glove right side out, using a blunt tool to carefully push out the fingertips for a neat finish. For the wrist opening, fold the raw edge inward by about 1/4 inch and stitch it down for a clean hem. You can also add small embellishments like delicate beads or a strip of lace to personalize your beautiful, handmade tulle gloves. Enjoy your creation!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.